How to fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. Now, if you think that this might be happening because of some system issue or maybe a bug, now all you have to do is to coordinate with the TikTok customer chat support. To do so, just simply log into your TikTok application, and then from here, just go to the three lines above, press on that, and then head over to settings and privacy. Now from here, you might want to scroll down a bit and then go to report a problem. Now right here, scroll down again and then just simply press on submit a report. Now from here, if you already took a screenshot from that error message, that will also be helpful. Now all I have to do is just simply insert that maybe a video file or a picture file right here, the two options right there. If you want to upload for a screenshot, just press on the first option, and then if you want to upload for a video file, just simply press on the second option. Now, from the description here, just tell us your feedback. All I have to do is to be specific on what exactly happened. For example, I did not intend to copyright any of maybe others or someone's content. This content was originally mine. So once you have fulfilled all those descriptions right there, all you have to do is submit, and then you'll just have to wait from the TikTok customer support to get back to you to fix the problem for you. So that's the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix an original content strikes on TikTok.